West London College, I did a cake course for like NVQ, level 1 and 2, and I did all the models from baking to cooking to stewing to braising to all of those fancy way of cooking food. So yes, there's so much courses I did at a college. When I came from Jamaica, I already know to cook already, but I wasn't certified properly. I didn't know much about the way of cooking, especially in a different country. So when I started the course in 2014, that really bring out more in me so I could do more of what I like, know about the way of cooking, the different ways, and especially just even like cutting veg, just some simple stuff that was very good for me that brought out in me more, so I had more understanding of what I was doing. It very bring out all the best in me, and I never regret taking that course. I never regret meeting Ms. Dennis, Chef Ivan, or Chef Jeffrey Gonzalez. So yes, it is, and also Sylvan. Yeah, so yeah, it's all those teachers. They input within me a little of their knowledge, so I appreciate as well with gratitude, and that's why I hold on to whatever I did and make it work. So I'm happy being at that college as well. At the restaurant, we do like a la carte, so we cook to order, so we don't really have food to waste. You come in, you sit, we give you the menu, and then you order, and then we prepare there and then. So it's just, at times it's very nice because new customers, regardless of telling them to sit, they'll be like happy to watch the chefs be cooking. So it's very nice, and it's a nice atmosphere and also a nice environment for everyone that comes in. Basically, as you see the menu, it's a Caribbean menu. It's based off of Jamaican dishes and with a few mixed dishes around, but basically just Caribbean dishes do perfect the way and bringing out the best in it as well. Not just as a takeaway, but as a restaurant where you can have a meal, 3-course meal, 2-course, whatever you like, and even have a family dine in, So yeah, that's the quality we're looking to put out. Well, the source of ingredients, we stay fresh. We use the freshest ingredients possible. So we're always in the market as regular as possible, buying the freshest and the best to be ready for service. Business was set up in 2020 in February, and I opened on the 22nd of February, but then the coronavirus came and I was feeling like I made a wrong move, but then I kept my courage up and just keep going. So then I came back better. So I'm much happy with how my view was and how I came back from the situation from the coronavirus. So COVID-19, we have the rules where it's distance and you wear masks as possible. So riders, they stay outside, they collect their parcel, they go. But if we have like dine-in, they take a seat, they give their order, or they can scan the code from the app. Because we also have an app as well, so you can scan and you order from there, and then it's delivered to you at your table without even coming to the counter. Well, I had to raise up some money from family and friends as well. And what happened is, it's when you have a vision, you take everything within you to get that vision to shine. So even if you just have to. So with my vision, I think I had to make some steps to make it where it is today and how I want it to be, because it's not going to happen overnight and it's not cheap. But yes, if you find the right people willing to help you with that vision, it will shine. Yes. Yes, I do have to be monitoring everything that's going on and the cooking, and but also my chef is there as well, that's Eugene, and he's main over everything than me, so I'm just there helping him as assistant, but he's just doing it mainly, and I'm happy as well. So it is very nice, yeah. And I also have a staff, she does like the cashier and wait at the same time, which will be starting like maybe soon from now, but yeah, it's a nice team. So that's what really had me, because I haven't seen a Caribbean restaurant that speak out the Caribbean culture, that talks even wherever they're from. So with this team that I sit within the restaurant, is basically Jamaica. So the dishes, the food, the energy when you come through the door, the vibe, it's just Jamaica standard. So it's just love for everyone that comes in, and everyone that comes in is a VIP for us. So it's a 5-star treatment for every single one. There's no treatment for none and some for less. It's just equal for everyone. I have some recipes that have been handed down from my grandmother as well, like my sweet potato pudding, oxtail as well, and her curry goat. So she has passed those menu to me with the rice and peas as well. So she did give me a lot because she was also a chef in Northampton. My 5-star meal I would recommend. I would recommend my pepper steak. I would recommend my lobster turf platter, and also the oxtail and brown stew chicken. And we have amazing jollof rice that you could not find nowhere else than with Kingston 20. So it's very delicious. Kingston 20 is basically in Jamaica where I grew up, and it's Washington Garden. And that's where I spend most of my time as my youth days growing up. So a lot of friends and family just there. So I think of what better way than to have something that you can rely on, you can look on, and it with a meaning to you. So Kingston 20, yes, it's Jamaica, but it's not just Kingston 20 only. It's from Kingston 1 to wherever Kingston stop. It's just love, but it's just Kingston 20. I spend most time as well. It keeps me going, to be honest. I believe in God and I have faith. And with that faith, that what I use to strengthen me. So whenever I do, I never find the courage. I never find a way of giving up. I always have courage to continue. So yes, I am strong by myself, but I'm stronger with God as well. So with all of this, I don't think it would be possible without God as well. So I know my education, my skills, and but with a little bit of life, it wouldn't be possible. So I give thanks as well. Yes.